The Program of Advancement Through Health and Education, PATH, is celebrating its 20th anniversary. PATH is the government's flagship social protection program and is administered through the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. Approximately 130,000 families are currently enrolled. Addressing the church service held to commemorate the occasion on the weekend, Minister of Education and Youth Favour Williams said the initiative is making a big difference in the lives of beneficiaries. She lauded the team at the Ministry of Labour and Social Security for their work over the years.
PATH, which was started 20 years ago at the turn of this century, has endured across many different administrations, which speaks to the commitment of different governments to care for the most vulnerable of our society.
She says that the social assistance program has been a significant channel through which many students have been enabled to continue their education, to pay for their exams and to receive nutritional support, as well as help with transportation.
With the funding from PATH, we at the Ministry of Education and Youth continue to provide school feeding to students by providing snacks prepared by Nutrition Products Limited, an entity of the Ministry of Education and Youth, and our cooked meals done at schools. And across our schools, 95% of them now have a canteen through which they either provide food at the school locally or through providers who bring the food in.
400 PATH students from 6 St. Catherine-based schools are benefiting from the recent introduction of the student passenger rail service.
This intervention signals the ministry's commitment through partnerships to improve its rural transportation program to benefit over 7,500 PATH and needy students from 250 primary and high schools across 13 parishes.
The ministry and government remain committed to ensuring that no child should be left behind because of financial challenges.